One of my favorite parts of the program is just how hands-on all the classes are. We're already working on how to administer different tests. We're already learning on how to write reports. We're already learning on how to do case histories. It's super hands-on and you feel prepared.
I think one of the coolest hands-on experiences through this program has been through the Campus Kitchen Project, which is a food recovery program where we recover food from Trader Joe's in Cleveland and then repurpose it and give it to food insecure populations in and around Kent, Ohio.
Of the schools in the area, we offer the most field experience. Even before our student teaching, we will walk out with about 90 hours of field work. In terms of actually being out in the classroom and that sort of thing, we have plenty of that experience.
I get to work all the sporting events, so football, volleyball, basketball, baseball, wrestling, all those events. This year I've been lucky enough to wear a headset, help run the show during football games. I'm on the field.
The classes, when you sign up for them, you had to do it with a smile because the classes just were so engaging and so interesting, but also really hands-on. So we had to do a lot of classes where we're designing programs and working on different outreach methods. We had trips down to Cuyahoga Valley National Park to do things like invasive plant pulling, but also just to meet with different rangers and see what it's like to do their job and get a chance to meet some people in the actual industry.
I've had really great opportunities so far, a lot of hands-up times where I actually get to apply what I learn in the classroom to real-life situations. We have so much experience before we even start out. We also interpret at the Cleveland Zoo. I've done the aquarium, COSI, Great Lakes Science Center. They really guide you as much as they can now and get you exposed and get you out of your comfort zone. That way when we are actually out there, we kind of have a little taste for what it's going to be like on our own.